Remember when you dreamed about remote work, setting your own schedule, and finally getting freedom? Congratulations, you made it. You escaped the office and ditched those soul-crushing commutes. But here's the twist nobody warned you about. Now you're working 12 hours a day in your pajamas, eating cereal at 3 p.m., and you haven't seen the gym in months. Look, remote work is incredible, until you realize that without boundaries, your couch becomes your prison and your laptop never sleeps. So if you're a freelancer or remote worker who wants a good and healthy life, here are 5 health-boosting tips that actually work. And with ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, by your side, you'll finally feel like you're living, not just working. Let's dive into it. Tip number 1, use timers to save your sanity. Here's the thing about working from home. You sit down at 9 a.m., blink, it's suddenly 4 p.m., and you haven't even moved an inch. Your back hurts, your brain's fried. That's where ClickUp's online Pomodoro timer saves you. Just hit start on any task, work distraction-free, and when it buzzes, you actually take that break. No guilt, just results. But here's where it gets even better. You can pair that timer with ClickUp's AI-powered calendar to plan your entire workday. Block out focused work sessions, meetings, and yes, those sacred break times. When you see your day mapped out, you end the day feeling accomplished instead of drained. Moving on to tip number 2, reward yourself with getaways. Honestly, remote workers struggle with this. You carry work everywhere you go. There's always one more email or work chat to check. That's why you need to physically remove yourself from your workspace and take a proper vacation or a getaway. But planning a trip when you're swamped with deadlines, that's why most people give up. But with ClickUp's vacation planner template, you can have it all. You've got your itinerary broken down by day, and your packing checklist is ready, so you don't forget your charger again. Your budget tracker shows exactly where your money's going, and you can assign tasks like book flights with actual deadlines. Everything you need to plan the trip is all there in one organized place. Dump all your booking confirmations, itineraries, and travel notes straight into ClickUp Docs. Your travel crew can jump in and collaborate in real time. Your friend drops in restaurant recs, your partner updates the budget, and everyone stays in sync. No more last-minute scrambles or digging through emails at the airport. When planning a vacation is this easy, you'll actually take those trips. Tip number 3, treat your meals like deadlines. When you work from home, meals become an afterthought, and that's how you end up feeling tired all the time. So start treating meals like client deadlines, non-negotiable, scheduled, respected. To make this easy for you, use the ClickUp meal planning template. From planning your week to building grocery lists and assigning prep days, you can do it all with this template. Now let's see tip number 4. Lock in your exercise like it's a meeting. Here's the trick. Treat workouts like unmissable deadlines. Bring ClickUp Calendar back in, and this time for time blocking your exercise. Schedule 20-30 minutes in the morning, afternoon, or evening, whichever suits your daily routine, and set this as a reminder in your calendar so it's there every single day, staring at you like a meeting you can't reschedule. This way, not just your body but your mind will also be healthier, and you will be happier. Last but not the least is tip number 5. Build a daily wellness practice and let AI help. Meditation, yoga, journaling, breathwork. Whatever your vibe is, it matters. But here's the problem. Most people don't start because they don't know where to begin. If you too feel the same, you can use ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, to get started. Just ask it to create a personalized wellness routine tailored to your schedule, goals, or energy levels. It'll generate a plan complete with tasks, durations, and suggestions in seconds. Once you've established your routine, turn it into recurring tasks in ClickUp, and it shows up automatically. A consistent reminder to prioritize yourself. Here's the truth. Remote work is freedom. But freedom without structure is just chaos in sweatpants. You don't need superhuman discipline. You need ClickUp handling the structure so you can live the life you imagined for yourself when you quit that office job. So take back your time and health. Try ClickUp.com for free today and see what a balanced remote life actually feels like.